All right. Well, we're gonna go ahead and replace that because it's quite the play. I don't know if you can see that. 100% hub. That's a lot of play, more than I've ever seen before. It actually caused that, I believe. Or it's just a non-greased slider pin. Not 100% on that, but we're going to go ahead and take care of it. Make sure everything's good to go. A lot of shavings, of course, as you'd expect. And I also believe, look at the separation there. Yikes. I also believe that this being so far away, out of alignment, went ahead and tripped the ABS light that's on the dash right now. That would make the most sense, because it literally just came on. Nothing wrong with the sensor. Come on, Fag. Fucking focus, for Christ's sake. Get yourself together, man. Whoop. There we go. So, the ABS ring seems to be fine. A little bit of metal buildup. Shavings build up on the fucking ABS sensor, but with the hub, come on, focus, come on, fuck, really, almost had it, you kidding me, there, oh my god, you're killing me.